We decided to set off an extraordinary journey through Europe with our brand new contract training center to share with you knowledge and experience, but also to gather feedback directly from our clients. As it is you who work with assortment available in KAN every day, which is why it is so important to update your knowledge and answer the questions that may arise in the courses of your daily work. We start in September and plan to visit Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Bulgaria, Romania, Serbia, Albania, Greece, Croatia and Bosnia and Herzegovina. We designed it and made this center to serve as a training base, paying a special attention to make it useful, functional and as comfortable as possible for you. Road trip aim is to reach as many KAN partners as possible and take a part in the most important outdoor events for the installation industry. We will keep you updated about the meeting places and dates. You will find both on KAN-therm website, our Facebook channel and through our channel partners. We will see you in your city soon.